Hey YouTube, what's up? And guess what? Check it out. He's still running. Anyways guys, I just wanted to say Happy New Year's. Been a long time since I made a video, but here it is. What's up with me these days? Well, really busy with the family. And yeah, we just got hit by a massive snowstorm. One of the worst snowstorms we ever had in 30 years. It's been so bad that people that live along the beach, their houses fell into the sea. Some people that had camping trailers fell into the sea also. So yeah, bad erosion going on there. People are really feeling like crap. Among the people that had their houses next to the sea, but they were told that it was going to happen someday or later, and guess what? It happened on the 30th of December. So anyways, yeah, we got hit by a massive snowstorm, and somebody I know. Alright, so my friends come in to say hi. Holy shit. Holy shit. Où sont mes marches? Oh, 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 oh. Ok. Je sais pas si vous pouvez me voir là. Mais regardez. J'en ai par-dessus les bottes. Par-dessus les bottes. Oh my god. Petit bout, t'es enterré bien raide. Holy shit. Check le bas de neige. Check la rue. Holy fuck. Par-dessus mes bottes. Ah, c'est pas beau. Le bas de neige. On va avoir du fun en esti tantôt avec la souffleuse. Mon voisin là-bas qui pète. Moi, il n'y a pas le choix d'aller travailler. Alright, what's up again, guys? Sorry, my friend with his snowmobile just came to say hi and Happy New Year. So yeah, so like I was saying, we got hit by a massive snowstorm. I'm going to show you around. We got about 70 centimeters of snow, so that's incredible. That's one of the biggest snowstorms we ever had. So we have enough snow. We have enough snow. And this beast right here, doing awesome. Listen, when people get stuck, I'm the one that comes and saves their lives. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the snow that we have right now. So this is the snow. Almost every day, I'm snow blowing. So yeah, so just to say hi and just to say Happy New Year, and I'll be making more videos. So you guys take care and see you later. Bye bye.